My name is Michael Weiner. I'm the CEO and founder of Vanguard LED Displays. We're at InfoComm 2025 at our booth where we're showing many products. One of the highlights of our show is this Sidewinder cabinet. As you can see in the video, it is being raised as we are watching it, and thereby the screen, the display itself will become, if you will, hidden. We offer very interesting pixel pitches as low as 0.7 all the way to 3.9, popular being 1.2. The height, the potential height of this display is up to 15 meters and can also be 15 meters wide. This is a die-cast aluminum cabinet. Refresh rate is 3840 hertz. What I'd like to draw your attention to now, as the screen is lowered, is that you will not see any lines as it folds into place. That is truly incredible. This can be great for boardrooms. It can be great for house of worship. It could be great for cruise ships who want to protect the display and protect it from salt air, salt water, etc. To get more information on this, please visit www.vanguardled.com. Thank you for your attention.